Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, July 24th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the pound yen, it's looking more and more convincing the wave 3 really is over. If the wave 3 really is over, then we're probably going to spend at least a minimum of 6 months to 8 months in a wave 4, then eventually head back up for a wave 5. So, keeping all that in mind, let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we do not have a breaker structure yet, so we still can't say 100% that the wave 3 is over. But looking at other correlated yen pairs, it does look like the wave 3 is likely to go over. It's probably likely it will go down, break structure, and that the first move down is only a wave A. It's probably going to make some sort of a big stretched out ABC correction, which most likely is a wave 4 of the big uptrend on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame, ever since we had a breaker structure on the daily several weeks ago at the JPY intervention that they did right here at the end of this big candle, we should have been looking for shorts in a downtrend ever since that point, and there has been some extremely profitable trades on shorter time frames looking for shorts. So going down to the 4 hour time frame, our most recent structure is way up here, which tells me that even if it does go up, it is almost definitely going to be another correction to the downtrend. So I personally am definitely looking for shorts at the end of all pullbacks I see. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame, I am definitely looking for shorts. I'm waiting patiently for three-way pullbacks like this. ABC up, go short. ABC up, go short. Even this little one right here, 1, 2, 3 waves. It's kind of hard to see on this time frame, but definitely 3 waves up. 3 waves up. That's exactly what I'm waiting for patiently, is more three-wave pullbacks to go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. The higher time frames, especially the daily time frame, are definitely telling me the trend is down. Most likely we are still in a wave A of wave 4 on the higher time frames. So until we see that this wave A of wave 4 is complete, we should primarily be only looking for shorts and only looking to go short at the end of three-wave pullbacks on these shorter time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.